Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have 3 very super quick and easy ways to put your hair up in a bun, whether it's a really sleek high bun or whether it's like a messy bun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Leave me ideas down below. And also, if you're not already subscribed, you already know, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you guys never miss another upload. And if you guys want to see how to put your hair up in a bun, then just keep on watching. So you're going to start off with brushing your hair. And basically I just washed my hair last night. Like, this is just my hair air dried. So the first thing that I want to do, basically, I'm just going to section off. Even though I'm going to be putting my hair up in a bun, I just want to curl my hair because my hair again is just like frizzy and flat and like silky in a way. Instead of straightening my hair, because if I straighten it, my bun becomes very small, I like to just throw in some curls, and that just gives my hair some texture and some volume, and that way when I'm putting it up or whatever, it's more sleek. So all I'm doing is sectioning my hair in 2 sections. I'm just going to take a little bit of hairspray and just throw in some hairspray just so the curls can just hold a little bit better. And I'm just going to brush this out as well. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to be taking like big, not really big sections, but not very small sections either. And then I'm going in with my NUME curling wand. I think this is the 25mm curling wand. And all I'm going to do is just wrap my hair really nice and flat. So I'm just going to throw in a few curls in here. And again, I was leaving a little bit of my ends out. And then just at the end, I'm going to just put my hair in and just take it out just like that. And again, I'm not going in like such perfectly with my sections. I'm just literally taking whatever and just wrapping my hair. Now that I just threw in some curls and everything, I'm just going to add a little bit of hairspray. Alright, and then so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take out just a little piece of the hair, or just a little piece of hair that I want to keep in the front, like so. And then we can retouch up the curls with this in a second. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the rest of my hair and we're going to put it up. So we're just going to gather all the hair. And then I'm just going to kind of put my head forward and then keep my hair like this. Make a really nice tight pony like so. And then what I'm going to do is just take my hair and like kind of messily wrap it in like a top knot. And I'm just going to hair tie this down. And then I'm just going to pull on it and just kind of create like a really messy bun like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go back in and just like lightly curl these front pieces. And I don't want to put too much product in my hair for this hairstyle because again, I want this to be more of like a messy bun look, nothing too sleek, because the other hairstyles that we're gonna do, the other 2, those are more sleek. But what I am going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of my Living Proof, this is the multitasking styler, and just put this where like just where a little bit of my flyaways are. And I'm just gonna throw in another bobby pin right there and one right here. Okay, so this is the first hairstyle. It's a very just like messy bun. So this was the first hairstyle. Now I'm going to show you guys the second one. These are very simple. For the second one, what you're going to do is just put your hair all back like so. Again, I'm going to take my multitasking styler. It's again by Living Proof, and I'm going to take this and I'm going to just put this all over my hair. Or if you have gel, if you have like the American Crew pomade or anything like that, you could use that as well. I'm just going to take this all over my hair, front and back. I'm going to go ahead, take this, and then I'm going to really smooth out my hair. And again, I'm going to take my hair ties And I want this to be like a very high bun, so I'm taking it very tight and high, and then I'm just going to go ahead and tie it in place. And see how it's like super sleek and smooth? I want to like really make sure that it's super sleek. So I'm just adding some more of this. And then I'm just going to take this bobby pin and just pin this down because I feel like it's sticking out a little bit. Okay, so once you have your ponytail, what you're going to do is I'm going to add some more of the cream. So I'm actually adding this product to my ponytail, and I'm also mixing in a little bit of the Living Proof smoothing cream. So I'm mixing both of these two Living Proof products together, and then what you're going to do is you're just going to twist your ponytail, and as you're twisting it, you're going to start putting it up, but you're also going to pull on the hair and then hair tie in place, and like so. And that is your second hairstyle. And now for the third and final one, we're going to do for this last one, again, just have our hair sleek, and we're going to take it all back, and it's going to be not a low bun and not a high bun, it's going to be like a center bun. So I'm just going to take all my hair like this, and then you're just again going to take it and you're going to wrap it. And then you're just going to basically just wrap your hair like that. I'm going to go in with another hair tie just to make sure it's like secure. And then if you need to add bobby pins, you can. And that is the third and final hairstyle. These are just 3 very simple and easy ways to put your hair up in a bun, and they look sleek and put together as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Again, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you guys never miss another upload. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!